Hi, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another tutorial, and this time I'm trying something new, something different, so I'm gonna explain everything in this tutorial through voiceover. So yeah, to begin with, I'm gonna start with the wax, and here I'm using petroleum jelly mixed with powder as my homemade wax, and then I'm just gonna shape it and make it look neat. Next, just apply some foundation, concealer, and I did it off camera. Now for the eyes, I'm using the Morphe X James Charles palette in the shade Spooky and just pat it on my lid. And I got some tips for applying black eyeshadow. You might want to pat and then blend. Do not blend right away or else you'll make it look patchy, and I assure you, you don't want that to happen, right? And then bringing it down to my lower lash line. Next, I'm using the shade Licorice from Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette to blend out the color, and after that, I'm using the Raspberry shade to deepen the color and apply it between Licorice and Spooky, and do the same to the other eye. Taking the Licorice shade back, and then I'm blending it to my lower lash line. And also, I'm using it to contour my face, apply it onto the cheekbones and my forehead, and then keep blending. And now I'm adding the red face paint from Snazaroo and applying it onto my body to make the red color looks more vibrant, and then just blending it again with the Licorice shade. This is so fun to do. Yay! I'm back to that Spooky shade and I'm applying it onto the neck to create some kind of shadow effect, and then back to contouring my face so that my face will look more dimensional. Just keep adding and then just blend, 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 and blend. Here I'm cutting through the wax to make some kind of scar looking effect, and yes, I'm using the other end of fork to do it. For the blood, I'm using Snazaroo Gel Blood Shade Light, and I added a bit of black eyeshadow so the color will look more realistic. And then with my brush, I'm applying it inside the cut that I've made before. Then I'm using tissue to create this blood splash kind of effect. Playing with blood is so fun. And then I want to make this blood dripping kind of effect, and I applied quite a lot of fake blood on my lower lash line, and I didn't actually think it through because it turns out when it's dry it's so sticky, and then when I want to clean it up kind of hurt my eye because the lashes are also pulled with the dry blood, and lesson learned. FYI, these two horns are also DIY. It's made out of mini beauty sponge, and I'm sticking it onto my forehead with Lush glue. Oh dang, the blood keeps dripping. And then I added Spooky around the horn, then back into the wax, and I apply it onto my chest, again doing it with the fork. Oop, it fell. And this time I only apply thin layer of the wax, and then if you're done, then don't forget to apply powder on top of it so it won't be sticky. And then next, you can just directly apply the blood. Also, I added dripped blood under the horn to make it look scarier. Don't forget to draw your eyeliner. And here I'm using the Joy Beauty Shine Perfect liner, if I'm not mistaken. And I love this liner because it is so black, so intense. And now for the lips, I'm using Rivera Gotta Be Matte Lip Cream shade 301 Vibrant. Oh, I love this. I mean, like, look at that color. And then I'm taking Spooky again and apply it in the inner side of my lips. Don't forget to add more dripped blood. It'll look sexier, I guess. Oh, and I'm done.